In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a zigzag line in TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, if you haven't done so already, you need to access TradingView. You can easily do this by performing a quick search online. Just type TradingView into your search engine, and it should be the top result. Go ahead and click on that link to enter the TradingView platform. Once you're on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see a lot of tools and options available to you, which makes TradingView such a popular platform for traders. Now the next step is to select the pair you want to analyze. This is where you can choose a stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, or any financial instrument you want to work with. Using the search bar at the top, just type in the symbol for the asset you're interested in and click on it. After you've selected your desired asset, go ahead and click on the Full Chart option. This will take you to a detailed chart view where you'll be able to draw your zigzag line effectively. Now that you're on the full chart, look over to the left side of your screen to locate the Drawings panel. You may see various shapes and tools available. If you're not seeing it right away, don't worry. You can click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, which will open a drop-down menu. Look for the option to enable the Drawings panel and make sure it's activated. Once the Drawings panel is visible, locate the Geometric Shapes icon. It's often represented by a small icon of shapes. Click on it, and that should expose additional drawing tools. Among these tools, find the one labeled Path or simply Zigzag. This is the tool we need for drawing zigzag lines. Now comes the fun part. With the Path tool selected, you can begin your zigzag line. Just click at different intervals on your chart to create those zigzag points. Make sure to click strategically, mimicking the peaks and troughs you want to highlight. This will effectively illustrate the price movements on your chart. As you click your points, you're essentially charting a path that will connect them. Once you are satisfied with the shape of your zigzag, simply double-click to close the path. And voila! You've drawn your first zigzag line in TradingView. Hopefully, by following these steps, you've been able to successfully add a zigzag line to your chart. This tool can be incredibly useful in visualizing trends and understanding price movements in the market. So there you have it, drawing zigzag lines in TradingView made simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy trading!